Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to merge photos on iPhone. So you want to go to your shortcuts and open it up. Then at the top you want to click on plus to create new one. And then your first action is just type in photos. And then you want to click on select photos. Now that you have that, you want to click on select multiple option. Then we want to search for another action, combining. So combine images. Then you can combine them horizontally, vertically, or in a grid, whichever you prefer. And then the last action is to save photo. Click this, save combined image to recent. Then you want to click at the top right under done. Then click on the three icons on the save to photo album. Long hold, click on rename and just say merge photo, and then you can be like photos. So now that you have created the shortcut, you need to click on that shortcut. It's going to take you to photos gallery, and then just select two photos and then just click add at the top right. Now you need to wait for a moment to load it up, and if I go to my photos, you can see it has merged two photos together. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.